I'm sure you guys can tell how excited I am about this one. Let's begin. So I took down my string twist and I'm just combing my hair. The usual, supposed to comb your hair after taking down a hairstyle. I have just 30 minutes to get out of the house and I didn't want to leave the house with my afro. I need to go to my aunt's house and I thought of a quick hairstyle I could just do since these people really do not understand when you are wearing your afro just for wearing sake. So what I'm doing is slapping my hair with edge control because I need this to slick down and I don't have time. Wrapping it up with, what's this called? A durag. Thank you, a durag. Wrapping this up with a durag just to, give it that slick hair. My natural hair should just slip down and be slick when I take this durag off. Then for the kinky, I'm using this kinky that I have laying around for a while. I said it in my previous video that we're out here saving money. So this kinky, I used it in my 4 locks video when I made the 4 locks tutorial. You can watch it here. Just look up. It's right there. The link is right there in front of you. So I just brought out this short kinky. It's really small. And in my head, you can see me thinking, okay, what can I do with this thing? What should I do with this thing? Take off your durag. The kinky already has a rubber band, and my head is tied up with a shoelace. I'm wrapping the rubber band around my natural hair, my cute little bun. Take a piece of the kinky hair, and this is actually self-explanatory. I don't need to talk too much, but I like talking. Take a piece of the kinky hair, that big piece, and wrap it around your hair. We are not using bobby pins for this. No bobby pin. This is like just 3 minutes hairstyle you can do and go outside of your house. There's no time to waste. I said I have just 30 minutes to get ready. Wrap the bun, the kinky hair around your natural hair. You don't need additional rubber bands. You don't need bobby pins for this. And it's actually stayed for 4 or 5 days. I did not take this out. I left it alone. So this is it. Cute, simple, short tutorial, fast way to style your natural hair. If you don't have a kinky hair lying around your house, you could use braiding hair for this tutorial. It's just going to be longer, and you could also style it in a bun. Yeah, you could do that. I'm so happy. Today I'm smiling like, oh, oh. Thank you guys for watching. I love you guys. As always, bye. And I'll see you in my next video. Please watch my next video. Don't just leave my channel like that. Okay, have a nice day. Ciao.